Hello, Algebra 2 people! Today we are going to find real and complex polynomial roots. So the same process we did last week, but now some of our answers might have I in it. So here we are with the problem. X to the fourth minus x cubed plus 20x minus 48. The first thing we have to do is set the problem equal to 0 because we're going to look for roots, and recall roots are x-intercepts. So to find an x-intercept, I've set y equal to 0. P of x is another way of writing y. So I'm really solving for 0 equals x to the fourth minus x cubed plus 20x minus 48. I grab my handy dandy calculator or Desmos.com. Look at the graph and look for x-intercepts, and I have two of them, one at 2 and one at -3.